Hey you guys, so this is the last video record on this camera. Today, this is Mushroom Kingdom and stuff. And today I got to feel for this one ride. I just want to do this. So we're in my kingdom and we're going to fit for this one ride. Okay, let's go to it. We're going to the helicopter. I don't know what this has this. I was in the roof. Okay, so I was in the roof. Now let's go. It's actually that one. This helicopter it can't control by itself. Do not fall. Or do not try to get out. Do not play in the food and drinks. You can bring toys if you wanted to. Oop. Whoa! We're flying! Oh my God, we're flying! Wow! Going down and anyone and do not fall or for anything, and this will be dangerous. Now you can get out. Okay, so that's it for the ride. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Bye. No! 2015 in the Yvonne Martin tech.